No, I'm gonna make some G Fuel. People always like to say that I'm addicted to G Fuel. Guys, I only have 15 tubs and 9 shakers. Like, leave me alone. I don't even buy that much, okay? Leave me alone. Shit. I'm so good at it. Look at that. Perfect. So the question is, what flavor to try? I don't know. Maybe I'll do some Fazeberry. I've been feeling the grape, but I'm out of grape. Really, this is an empty box. I'm kind of a poser. I'm sorry, guys. This is an empty box. I'm a liar. I don't know, guys. We'll go with the classic lemonade. Just scooped it out. Don't want to get too much or too little. By the way, it's my George Foreman grill, and that's my pancake maker. Yep. We live pretty good over in the Rev house. But yeah, we're going to pour this right in. Oh, delicate. Oh, look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Guys, I want to get that sunlight in there. Oh my. This is so stupid. Well, what's up, guys? It's Rev back with another video. Today is actually the first video that I've ever done on my brand new camera. This is a Sony Alpha 6000. Beautiful camera. Just got it for Christmas, and I thought I would do a room tour. Sorry if the mic's bad or something like that is bad. Honestly, man, I don't know what I'm doing, and this is my first try at ever trying something with this camera other than taking like maybe 10 pictures. So yeah, this is my full room. I'll go into detail right there, but just give you guys a quick overview. But yeah, I guess we'll start over here. So this is where the magic happens. This is my bed. Nothing crazy. I don't know. Saints, New Orleans Saints. I dig the team. At the foot of my bed, in this little Kit Kat box, I got all my books. I really like to read whenever I can, whenever I get time. But yeah. And up here we have my first flag. It's a Color Morale flag. If you don't know what they are, they're like a rock metal band. I'm really into them. So yeah. Looks really cool. I got it at Warped Tour 2 years ago, and yeah, I've had it for a long time now, and I love it. If you guys didn't know, I'm putting up this curtain just because I don't want to show outside. I don't want anyone to like find out where I live, anything like that. And that's why I'm not doing the rest of my apartment, because there's a ton of windows that it could be open or something. But if you guys want me to do a full apartment tour, I can just cover up all the windows, and yeah, let me know if you want that. Moving on to my Christmas present that I got this year. This is something my mom made. It is a flag of a bunch of pictures of my dog. It is probably my favorite, it's probably my favorite present out of anything that my parents gave me. And just look at that face. This is my dog Breezy, guys. He's 6, he's a Hound Pointer mix, and he's a rescue. I actually took every single one of these photos. Actually on my Instagram, like my personal Instagram, this is like pretty much all I do is just post pictures of him, because look how cute he is. Look at that. You can't deny the cuteness. Moving on, we got this light. Actually, funny story about this light. When I first moved in, just so you guys know, if you guys move into apartments, you don't get any lighting, like in your rooms and stuff. You get like in the kitchen, and that's really it. So I basically lived in the dark for like the first couple weeks that I lived here. Like I basically just lived off sunlight, because this wasn't here. I just actually got this like 2 days ago. But yeah, this actually was a blessing, honestly, just getting this, because I didn't have any light. So basically, when the sun went down, it was just dark in here completely. So yeah, blessing in disguise. But yeah, that actually leads out to this actually leads out to the family room, just so you guys know. This is a poster that I have had for so long, probably over a decade now. This is my first Avenged Sevenfold poster. If you guys didn't know, they're my favorite band. The Rev, actually, this is the Rev, the drummer, the Rev, actually. That's where I got my name. Can I zoom in on video? Oh, I can, yeah. Look at that, look at that. Look at that beauty, there he is. Yep, that's where I got the name from, and yeah. That's Avenged Sevenfold, first poster I ever had. You can see that it's been taped up and, you know, just kind of messed with a little bit, but it's one of my favorite posters just because I've had it for like forever. Moving on to this is my walk-in closet. It's actually really big. It goes way back, but I'm not going to open it and show it because I have some laundry in there that I have to do. All right, moving on to my next Avenged Sevenfold poster. This is kind of like a UV poster, so you're supposed to put in like a UV light, but I don't even know how to work that shit, so I just have it like on my wall here, and it's next to this one. They're not in the same height. I'm kind of a dumbass, but yeah, it looks really nice. Moving on, that's my bathroom. Not gonna show that obviously because it's just a little weird, but it's really close to my desk, which is really cool. So whenever I need to go during the stream, it's, you know, 5 seconds. I don't really need to like, you know, walk down the hallway or something, but yeah. Moving on to these, if you guys are wondering if you saw them earlier, these actually go up in these 2 walls, and they're pictures of me, so I can't really show those yet, but get to 1,000 subs and, you know, they'll be up for you guys. I actually had to just take them down. My parents put them out yesterday because I needed like nails, if you guys can see up there. I needed like some nails for the wall and stuff, so yeah, that's why they're there. But moving on to this is another flag that I have. It's a Wage War flag. I also got this at Warped Tour at the same time. I got that one right over there. And yeah, it's one of my favorite bands. They're really good if you like metal, stuff like that, which I do. And moving on to my last flag, we have 21 Pilots, like American flags type thing. I don't know. I really dig them. If you guys don't like them, if you like them, let me know. One of my favorite bands, kind of. I don't know. They're really good. And the last thing I have on my wall is what Shannon and Just Man Stuff made me. It's actually my old logo with a bunch of cupcakes on it. Best thing ever. Best thing on my wall, honestly. First thing of fan art ever, so thank you guys so much. I look at it every single day. I just have it right behind there so I can just see it during my streams, and you know, every time I'm just editing or something, I always know that you guys have my back, so thank you guys so much. Now we move on to my desk. So this is my DX Racer. If you guys didn't know, I have one of them. Best chair in the world, most comfortable thing. If I could kind of give you an overview, it's a perfect balance between being engaged when you're gaming and at the same time you're super comfortable. And this actually helps out a lot. I used to have like lower back problems all the time, and this actually helped because I used to use like this stupid wooden chair, and really hurt my back because I'd be sitting here for hours on hours, you know, streaming, editing, doing videos, stuff like that. So yeah, that's what that's there for, and it's a beautiful chair. Definitely recommend them. Not sponsored, obviously, but great chairs. Moving on, we have my PS4. This is actually a limited edition Uncharted 4. Up here we also have Ghost from Modern Warfare 2, and we have the Fallout Soldier with the T-45 armor, I believe. But yeah, I don't use this too much. I should honestly use it more, but I usually just play console exclusives and single player games whenever I'm just chilling. But yeah, I love this thing. Super nice. It honestly runs better than my Xbox. I think PlayStation actually runs a lot better, but Xbox is where my friends are at, so that's obviously where I'm gonna be at. And moving on to my Xbox, oh, that's my car keys and wallet. That's kind of where I put it. I don't know, just kind of close, but yeah, this is my Xbox One. It's not turned on because, you know, I don't want to waste too much power. Then also I have a Zippo of a Hard Rock in Las Vegas. I don't smoke or really use it much, more of like a memorabilia piece. Then I also have Deadpool because, as you guys know, if you guys watch any of my Q&As, he's one of my favorite superheroes, always has been since I've been a little kid, and Mr. Zoidberg from the Futurama series. We'll start back here for my actual desk. This is my Elgato HD60. It's my capture card, basically how I record everything. It connects to my Xbox, to my PC, and to my monitor. So yeah, perfect, great company. I definitely recommend one if you guys are looking to get into YouTube. If you need, just let me know and I can give you a link to it, because honestly, it's helped me immensely with YouTube and live streaming, everything with that. So yeah. So what you guys have probably all been waiting for, this is my desk. This is really where the magic happens. And honestly, I love it to death. The only thing I really want is another monitor. I want the same monitor. I really want a second monitor just so I can run Twitch chat in Elgato instead of this thing, because it doesn't run too well. Even though it's like only 3 years old, it doesn't run too well. So getting a second monitor because my PC can handle it would be really nice instead of having my MacBook. But yeah, if you guys wanted to know, my keyboard and mouse are Lancehead Mercury Razors. Beautiful company, and they make really good stuff. I've been super happy with it. I can actually program this to whatever color scheme I want. I just kind of like the rainbow, and I just have this going on different colors. If you guys want, I can just link you guys to their company and website so you guys can check these out. But beautiful mouse and keyboard, I love them. I just love looking at the colors. I love like the white. I usually do like white everything besides my Xbox. So yeah, I've been digging it. Moving on to my headset, this is an Astro A40 with the mix amp. I have my old logo as my tags on here. I usually just keep it here when I'm not streaming because I don't want to just keep it on the floor and just like, you know, step on it. But yeah, it's a beautiful headset. I love it. I can just like, you know, like mess with different settings up here, you know, with like the volume and like switching between voice and game and stuff like that. And it's got a bunch of ports for other things that I'm not smart enough to figure out, but yeah, it does its job. So beautiful headset. And my mic for talking to you guys. Here's my Blue Yeti. Honestly, when I started, I was between a Blue Snowball and a Blue Yeti. The Snowball is like $50 and this is like $150. Honestly, if you guys are ever looking to start on YouTube, which I encourage you to do because I'll support you guys all the way. You guys have supported me through everything. Anyways, this mic is amazing. The Snowball is pretty much just the same thing, except maybe a little bit worse. Honestly, guys, if you guys are looking to start on YouTube, make sure you get a Snowball instead of a Yeti. So I probably should have gotten the $50 mic instead of the $150 mic, but if you're really passionate, this is a really nice mic, and if you already have a Snowball and you're looking for something a little bit more, this is probably your best bet. It's got like a little, you know, thing on it. It's got a little pop filter on the top just in case like any, you know, sounds happen, and yeah, beautiful microphone, helps me talk to you guys, and you know, that's my favorite part of my day. And down here we have my PC. Specs, if you're looking just like a quick rundown, it has Intel i7 7770, it has a 1050 Ti, I don't remember the fucking CPU, but I can put specs in the description if you guys want, let me know and I can just throw them down there. But it does its job, it runs Photoshop, it runs Premiere, it runs Photoshop, it runs pretty much everything I need to run Elgato perfectly, and games on ultra settings whenever I need to. I spent about $800 on it, so I didn't spend too much. I really need to get another hard drive because I only have a 250 gigabyte solid state drive, and I really need another 8 gigabytes of RAM because I only have the 8 in there. But I don't really game on PC too much because most of my time goes to YouTube. But yeah, I just use it really for Photoshop, and I use my MacBook for editing, so yeah. And finally, we have my MacBook. This is where it actually all started. My downloads and stuff and all my clips go on here. I have old clips dating back to so long ago. I've had this thing since I was a freshman in college, and this is actually a super old thumbnail from August 25th, 2016. Like, I actually just posted this. It was legit just a picture on Google Images with just an RG at the bottom that I put in with a preview. It's like kind of like a Microsoft Paint, but for Apple. But yeah, it's super funny, just like humble beginnings. I had no idea what I was doing, but we've grown so far. So just times like these where I just really appreciate you guys sticking by me and, you know, doing everything. And I got a bunch of stickers on this thing, a bunch of G Fuel pictures, Razer, and yeah, it's 99% G Fuel to be honest. But yeah, guys, that'll be the room tour. Sorry if the mic didn't turn out okay or the picture or anything. Let me know if I can improve on anything, because I really want to get better at this, because if you guys really like these videos, I'm sure you do, because some of you really want to know what I look like. So get to that 1K mark and we'll be sure to do that face reveal. Again, thank you guys so much for the support lately. Videos have been killing it lately. I've been really trying to, you know, push the quality side instead of the quantity. Just put out a video whenever I'm ready and just do daily live streams. So if you guys want to see more of that, make sure you let me know. But yeah, guys, it's been Rev. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And I don't know how to end it, but yeah, have a good one, guys. Peace.
I've been feeling like a motherfucking postman, sending letters to the people, all the sellers that I got, I'm like an old man. Hold up when the old man, let me back up in this bitch, I'm platinum in this bitch, I'm rapping in this